Hello again. The weather's actually looking fairly quiet for virtually all of us in the coming week as high pressure holds firm. Quite mild across more northern areas, particularly during the first half of the week. Somewhat colder in the south with their patchy fog and also some frost. In fact, we've got a belt of high pressure all the way from the Azores right up through into Scandinavia. It doesn't move a great deal right the way through Tuesday and into Wednesday. We do find a weather front coming southwards through the high, but it'll be weakening all the time. Really a very weak feature, giving no more than some patchy rain here and there, but keeping quite a bit of cloud, I think, across these more central areas. Now, to the northern side of this high, we're going to keep some fairly mild southwesterly winds coming in, particularly across Northern Ireland and into Scotland. Rather chilly northeasterly, though, coming in across more southeastern parts. And then we see a change towards the end of the week. Those winds beginning to come in from the north. I'm not sure if they're going to be quite as strong as that would suggest, mind you, but certainly we're going to find the northerlies coming in as the high drifts away towards the northwest. But I think the main thrust of that cold air tending to be down through the North Sea and across into the low countries. Now, temperatures through this afternoon near the normal, around about 8 to 10 degrees, also feeling a little bit on the cool side in that brisk northwesterly wind. Fine for most of us, quite a bit of sunshine around through England and Wales, but the clouds starting to thicken up to bring some patchy rain in towards Scotland through this evening. You can see the cloud waiting there out in the Atlantic as the next developing system begins to push in. And that cloud's going to spread in across many western parts of the British Isles through the course of tonight. Cloud and patchy rain also edging back into East Anglia for a time. But through these more central areas, quite a bit of mist developing, I think, with perhaps a touch of frost here by the end of the night. Then through tomorrow, it's western areas, I think, are going to see most of the cloud and patchy outbreaks of rain. Most of it quite light, so the brighter weather hanging on in the southeast. A similar picture through into Tuesday. Those cloudier skies, the patchy rain, just edging a little bit further southwards, down across parts of northern England. Quite chilly in the southeast, that mild weather beginning to make its presence felt though across Northern Ireland and up into Scotland. Temperatures 10, 11, perhaps even 12 degrees in places. Still that cloud around across these more central areas through into the middle of the week, but it begins to clear away once we get through into Thursday. There's that cool northerly beginning to develop. This band of cloud and rain on this weather front edging gradually southwards. I think we'll find that moving in towards Scotland through Thursday, making its way down the east coast of England through the course of Friday. The bright weather hanging on in the south. There's that cooler weather, though, coming in across Scotland later in the day. 1 or 2 wintry showers over the high ground. And that's the weather for the week ahead.